Hello, gentlemen. Listen, I know that we're all looking for the same answer: how to avoid lenz in our generators. If we avoid lenz in our generators, we will have free energy for everyone. Okay, and I think I've found a way around it. I know how to do it. But it's very important that you guys understand what the original problem was, so that you can visualize the steps needed to control that. We're making generators the wrong way. We're making them the wrong way. So I'd like to point out what we're doing wrong, and then based on me pointing out what we're doing wrong, then we will take steps to correct the problem. And then therefore you will understand better the steps and why we're doing them. If I just give the answer out freely like this without explaining things, I don't think you'll understand. And I think we'll get a lot of fight back, a lot of bad negative comments saying, oh, you're full of shit. You know, you don't know what you're talking about. We've been doing this for 150 years. You're breaking the law of thermodynamics, which, by the way, has nothing to do with thermo. Thermo means heat. So anyway, I'm going to get a lot of feedback, mostly negative, because anytime someone comes up with a bright idea or new idea, you always get the naysayers. Always. And I'm going to get a lot of bad comments. I know that. But hopefully one of you out there is bright enough to visualize and see that the problem that we're really encountering, and that the powers at be really don't want you to understand this. They would prefer you keep wasting gas, wasting diesel, wasting energy to get a little bit of electrical power. That's what they prefer you to do, so that they can charge you a certain amount for that electrical power. But anyway, I'm here to help you understand what we're doing wrong, so that we can take the next step and correct the way we're generating electricity. And it has to do with what do you call it? Not the schematic. The geometry of the generator. It all has to do with the geometry. It has nothing to do with electrical production. It's just that we're doing things backwards. And my job is to clarify things so you understand, and then I'll take you step by step so that you do understand. And then once you understand this concept, then we can go forward and say, okay, well, this is why I'm doing this. Why am I making the core long? Why am I putting things different as to the normal 99% of the generators that are built today? Why am I doing it wrong? No, I'm not doing it wrong. I'm doing it right. And for the first time, I will show you why we're doing it right. Okay? Thank you. God bless.